Kalu backs additional southeast states, suggests an Animoma option. Few days ago, after we visited the Deputy Speaker of the House of Reps, Benjamin Kalu, we were consolidating with him about Anioma State creation. And he started telling us that he is suggesting that Anem people and Anioma people should come together and actualize the states. That he is suggesting Animoma State. Look at what Benjamin Kalu said. He said, the Deputy Speaker of the House of Representatives, Benjamin Kalu, has reiterated his support for the creation of an additional state in Nigeria Southeast, urging stakeholders to consider a unified approach through the proposed Animoma model. Kalu made the call on Wednesday while receiving a delegation of the Animoma State movement led by Ned Nwoko during a courtesy visit to his office in Abuja. He explained that Animoma represents a fusion of Anambra, Imo, and the proposed Anioma State in Delta, stressing that collaboration across regions would strengthen the case for state creation. You can't do this without the governors of the Southeast and South-South. While it is our duty to pass bills, critical stakeholders must be involved between Anioma State and Anim State. I would prefer a fusion, Animoma, so that the two brothers can come together as one, he said. Kalu urged proponents of separate state proposals to embrace compromise, noting that unity among stakeholders is essential for progress. Those pursuing this in isolation must be ready to give and take. There must be agreement between the Southeast and South-South for this to move forward, he added. He's saying that we Anioma people should negotiate with Anim State agitators so that it will be Animoma State, Anioma State, parts of Anambra State, and Old Olu Zone to be Animoma State. Benjamin Kalu knows that it's not possible. First of all, Ohaneze Ndi Igbo is not in support of any Animoma states. Ohaneze Ndi Igbo is not in support of Anim states. Ohaneze Ndi Igbo have made it clear that they stand with Anioma State, that what they want for the Southeast as the 6th Southeast state is Anioma State. Have it in mind, what Benjamin Kalu said is that in his own opinion, he is not saying that the National Assembly said that it should be Animoma State, that Anioma and Anim State should join. National Assembly did not say that. So, if you listen to this video while they talk, so pay attention. He said that in his own opinion, he is only suggesting that Anioma and Anim should merge together and become Animoma State. Igbo Nation will never go with that his suggestion. That suggestion is never possible and it shall never be possible. So now just suggestion him they make. If to say Southeast politicians they straightforward, they go come together tell Hope Uzodinma to give up on Anim State. Because Anim State has no benefit to Ndi Igbo. We are saying that the Southeast is being called a dot in a circle. And someone is saying that Anim State is viable for Ndi Igbo. We Animoma people, they thought say we want to join Southeast. You dey sit and say, may they carve part of Southeast join Anioma. Did we tell you that we Animoma people are looking for population in Anioma State? If they create Anioma State, they go talk say Anioma State is the 6th state in the Southeast. So we not the wrong go anywhere. Anioma State will be created for the Southeast. Hope Uzodinma just want to make sure say Anim comot from that Imo State. You talk say you want additional state for Southeast. Animoma people talk say they won't join you. It's expected of you to give up on that Anim State. Leave Anim alone. Anioma is a very big state. Anioma has every qualification to become a state. So why is Benjamin Kalu saying that Anioma and Anim should merge and become Animoma? It's not possible. That is just a political statement. Make you not be like say it dey shade anybody. During the time that Anim people visited Benjamin Kalu in the National Assembly, he told Anim people that if the powers responsible for state creation says that any state that should be given to the Southeast is a state that will expand the landmass and perimeters of the southeast, then Anim people should give up. That was what he told them. And by that statement, he is carrying Anioma along. So this shows that Benjamin Kalu is also carrying Anim people along, make it not be like say he dey support these people. So he's only trying to be diplomatic. If you tell Benjamin Kalu to take him church mind, choose states where they viable for Igbo, he go tell you say na Animoma State. We know say Hope Uzodinma na him friend though, say two of them na 5 and 6. But if he use him church mind na Animoma State, he go tell you, you no go ever choose Animoma State, because he is so intelligent to know that Animoma State has no benefit to Igbo. Some people are saying, what Benjamin Kalu says is that the state that they should create should be Animoma State. That na Animoma State na be the right choice. No. It's just a political statement. It's not possible. Our governors wey dey for Southeast no go talk say Animoma State is better than Animoma State. The problem wey they get for Igbo land be say, when it comes to Igbo fights, so many Igbo politicians not dey fight Igbo fights. They not get that time. Southeast politicians should support Senator Ned Nwoko. Make sure say you give Senator Ned Nwoko the maximum support that he needed, and make sure that we get this Animoma State. No be everything we go dey tell una. Benjamin Kalu is the deputy speaker of the House of Reps in Nigeria. Benjamin Kalu, use your power and make sure that we get this Animoma State. If to say na Hausa Fulani person dey that your position now, we go talk say they not give us Animoma State again. They don't go create Animoma State because they don't want to make Animoma people join their brothers for Southeast. We will start blaming the North. But now that Benjamin Kalu, an Igbo man, is the deputy speaker of the House of Reps, he should do everything possible and make sure that we get this Animoma State. Benjamin Kalu, we know that statement you made saying about Animoma, we know that it's just a political statement. What we Animoma people want is Animoma State. Make sure we get Animoma State. One thing about politics now, if your people they demand say they want this thing, if you did that position to give them that thing, work for that thing to be actualized. No, they don't say, I want to be neutral, I want to be neutral. You call neutral for camera, can't see neutral outside camera by doing everything possible to make sure that Animoma State is being created. So any politics wey they play for this Igbo land should be for the interest of Ndi Igbo. No go play politics don't say Animoma. Like play now, you feel dey serious for this Animoma matter, you go to talk Animoma, you go start to cause another confusion. Animoma stakeholders said that what they want is Animoma State, and they want the state to join the Southeast. So anybody where they talk say make Anim join Animoma State, it's not possible. Why Anim want join Animoma State? They just want the benefits from resources, which they know is not possible. So those are Igbo brothers that are agitated for Animoma State, make them not be obstacle against this Animoma State creation. If you check online, cause they see Igbo people where they talk say they don't want Animoma State, say what they want na Animoma State. Now those Igbo people will come from Olo. So many Igbo people from other region are saying that they don't want other states. That what they want is Animoma State. So many people from Anim region are saying that what they want is Animoma State and not Anim State. So those are Igbo brothers where they talk say they want Anim State. Like those where they do comment section, they talk say they want Anim State. I hope say na the brain where those Igbo people where they demand say they want Animoma State get. I hope say na that brain where they get, and those our brothers from Olu get. Because if you don't see any Igbo person for comment section talk say you don't want Animoma State to say wetin you want in Anim State, check the person profile, you go see where they write Olu person. You know what, can use your brain reason say these our brothers Animoma people. This their struggle, where they struggle, they do everything possible to make sure say they get this Animoma State join us for Southeast. Let's support them. Instead, you go grand. Then for comment section, they talk rubbish with boldness. Man of 50 years, 40 years, 30 years, 60 years. Your brothers won't join you for Southeast, you they push them away. If you be a low person and you dey against Animoma State, e show say you not get love for ndị Igbo. You not get love for Igbo agenda. You are just putting your selfishness first before Igbo Nation. We are not forcing you to support Anioma State. We are making you to see reasons why you should support Anioma State. Fulani people not go ever come and they tell their people say support this and support this thing. No, because all of them get the same mindset. If now you are about people, now you go say some of them go to support that thing. Why if you say for Igbo land, some of our people, they're not ever see reason to support good thing. Your brother won't join you, they push them back. How it show say you get sense? How it show say you get sense? And this character go they give a lot of people bad name. So many a lot of people are in support of Anioma State and the Southeast zoning. We have been seeing their comments every day. All this set of a lot of people they come and they say, we want Animoma State. Now when I go to make people they talk say a lot of people are so greedy, they are so selfish. Those people they don't want to make their brothers and Anioma people join them. Hey whoa, if you see what a lot of people they do for social media, hey whoa, you go they give your people bad name. Those Anioma people that are saying that they want to join the Southeast, those ones now people who don't even know what they happen around them. You think if Anioma not join Southeast, say Anioma go join South. Anioma go only remain for Delta states. And before you people will know it, Urobo people go take the slots for an additional state where they go create for the South. If they want to create any additional state for South to make the South 7 states in the future, Anioma will never take that slot. It's just people define states, Urobo define states. So what did they make you feel say Anioma go take this slot? That's why they tell my people say, those of you that are saying that you don't want Animoma State to join the Southeast, you they miss greater opportunity. Animoma State not get competition. Oh. No look this one where Anim people they do. Animoma not get competition. What Anim people are doing is not competition to we Animoma people, because we know say we Animoma people go surely collect that slot. We know say we not get competition. But when a slot for South go come out, say they want create an additional state for South, and at that time you go see say these people they serious, say they want states. Urobo no go gree, John no go gree, Ogoni no go gree. All people for Akwa Ibom State where they look for Obolo State, they not go gree. You will see so many agitation. You go see like 5 to 6 people go agitate for states. And some people they thought say they want their own states. So are you thinking that these people will give up on their states for we Animoma people to take that slot? These same people that are telling you, Animoma people, not just Southeast, IPAB will kill you, sit at home will kill you, this one will kill you, Southeast is bad, then they do this, then they do that. Those same people from other tribes for this house where they tell you not join Southeast. Now then go start to tell you say, when you had the opportunity to join your brothers in the Southeast, you refused. Now they have given us a slot in the South to get our own state, and you Animoma people are telling us that you want to take that slot. It's not possible. They go tell you like that. If you they make any decision now, they think about the future. What will be the effect of that decision in the future? You they thought you don't want to join Southeast. Will Animoma State ever be created in the South? No, it's not possible. Because nobody go leave you Anioma person to take that slot. Competition go too much. And then when they say we be Igbo people, say how we go leave our brothers who supposed to join for Southeast, come they take their slots for South. Those Animoma people who don't want to join Southeast. Make una think. What you should be saying is, if we get Animoma State, what are we going to benefit? We need university, we need poly, we need light, we need development, we need infrastructure. All this and be what you supposed to talk. No be about geopolitical zoning. The reason why we are here telling our people what they are supposed to know is because we want them to understand the reason why we want this Anioma State. Anioma State is not a Nedonwoko fight. Anioma State is the fight of we Anioma people. We will have 3 senators if we get Anioma State. We will have 6 House of Reps members. More local governments will be created. We will have so many local government chairmen. Development will be everywhere. We will have infrastructure. We will have schools. Name it. Everything where states they benefit for this life, we Anioma people will they benefit. This is what Anioma people are supposed to be talking about. No be we no want join Southeast. If you no join Southeast, how you go take get Anioma State? This is the only chance that we have. Some are saying, Nigeria go soon break up. If Nigeria break up, make Igbo people go their own. Make we Animoma people go their own. Now you want break Nigeria? Nigeria go break up. Are you the one to break Nigeria? As Nigeria dey together, make we benefit, dey live life first. Make we dey build our place. You dey wait till Nigeria divide. You go wait till you old, you go die. Something wey be say you no be prophet, make you see as the future go be. You be prophet, you no know the importance of Anioma State. You no know wetin you go benefit if we get Anioma State. Your prophecy na say Nigeria go divide, but you no wan get your own state. Anioma people support the creation of Anioma State and the Southeast zoning. Our Igbo brothers from the Southeast support the creation of Animoma State and the Southeast zoning. We must never lose this chance. Igbo bofu, Ishewale.